Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things we learned at Build with Windows 11 and its AI capabilities is that Copilot will soon be getting extensions. So Microsoft had in the last few months asked developers if they wanted to participate in creating a full environment around the Copilot AI. And of course, that includes a little bit like a browser, extensions that add to the Copilot app that can do other tasks or help Copilot integrate into an app that you're using, for example. And they showed a few examples at Build. So that apparently would be coming. And the app extensions would apparently be available not just for, Copilot plus PCs. It would be for also the standard Copilot in our Windows 11 operating system and Windows 10 also. So this is going to be something interesting. It would add new capabilities. And also, as time goes by, they want to make Copilot even more powerful, so faster and execute more, do more stuff, basically. So with the extensions, they could, developers could add all sorts of capabilities from, going through your emails and helping you out and maybe writing an email to going through your different apps, even games. They were showing one that was showing Minecraft, which was kind of interesting. So all sorts of new extensions that would add capabilities, just like in a browser when you add extensions to add features that weren't in the browser before. So this would be coming apparently within the release and after the release of Windows 11 24H2. So we'll see what kind of extension. Is there going to be maybe in the Microsoft Store a Copilot extensions page or something? I don't know yet, but this will be interesting to look at in the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.